How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jenner. For those new, thank you guys for tuning in. Today, guys, is a very special video. It's a milestone, not exactly for my son, actually for both of us. See him ride the scooter, guys. Obviously he can't walk yet, but that's exactly how I taught my little brother how to ride his scooter, you know. As soon as he started walking, he was able to stand firm and get that grip on. I put my hand over him and just cruise. You guys will see in the video right now. But he got it on the first ride. Oh, you wanna go down? He got it. Okay, squatting down, because that's why I squat. You guys will see in the video too as well. It took 2 tries on the, well, 3, but pretty much the second one he was already set. First one's just pretty much getting his feet on the right place, which now he knows. Perfect. He can balance between both. Oh. And to get him all the shoes now, they want to have more grip. But this one should do the trick for now. So this racer has like the grip tape on the bottom there. This one you can't walk with. This one's a little bit this little guy. Alright, guys. He just got up. I paused the video and he just literally got up right now. So pretty much just getting his 2 feet in there. Grips on careful with the mouth, because he'll put it close here, and you know, like any rocks, pebbles, or cracks. Screw my vibrate or something, you know, you don't want his teeth or gums getting hurt, especially not his face. I'm not an expert on this, even though this is the second, I guess you can say, baby that I'm doing this, because the first one was my brother. He was about 10 months when he started standing up, and I got him into the scooter. And now my son is 11 months and trying to teach him that. Eventually my brother, once he started walking, he grabbed the scooter by himself. I believe a year and 3 months he was already riding normal, like, you know, riding with both feet up. He wasn't just Whew. It is breathtaking, guys. I'm definitely off for this. My left leg is hurting. This is not for every baby. I mean, I'm guessing my brother was definitely a wild one. My son is wilder with ER at the end, because he's more awake, you know, more, he knows what's going on all around him. So something that you gotta keep in mind. This is not for him. He wants to go again. Yeah, I know you want to go. But this is definitely not for everyone. Like, once again, I'm not saying I'm a professional. I'm just pretty much based it on my experience with my little brother. And you know, and when I taught my little brother, I was probably around, I think I was in middle school, so he was like 1 or 2 years. I mean, that was a long time ago. And yet right now here we are doing this again. So if you guys wonder why I haven't done videos on cars and anything, that's the reason why I'm focusing more on my son. Bless you! Oh, I got that on camera. Achoo! Anywho, guys, hope you guys enjoy the video.
Heart on fire, set my heart afire.
So I'm coming from the park, guys. I find the Fairlady Z280. Some beautiful rims. Tires are new, from what I can tell. Did a rust. Gonna definitely do a whole paint job on her. It's a 6 cylinders automatic, clean title. As you know, that's my dream car, 240 but this is the second generation. Alright guys, we're here finishing up at Albertsons. Made a quick little stop, get some flowers. We'll be talking about that drink just in a minute. Tostitos, some sodas. It's because it's my break day, my cheap day meal. I think it is cheap day. Alright guys, we're gonna be going to Stonefire Grill. But before, I wanted to show you guys this. Let me turn the car on for my son. The Coca-Cola with coffee. I saw this about a couple months ago. My wife told me, hey, the two best things that I like, Funny thing is, and it's funny that I was just talking about, how I taught my little brother how to ride the scooter and everything. And back when, it's crazy because it's been over 15 years. It's literally been over like 15 years, almost 15 this October, because, he's gonna be 15. But, I used to make, Coca-Cola and coffee mix with just a little bit more of sugar. And I used to mix it, because I used to go to school and everything, like back in, and I used to get home, do my homework and stuff, take care of my little brother, mom and dad had to work and stuff. And it's crazy because, I used to do this, my wife said, that was your $1 million idea right there. I never liked Red Bull, Monster, I have drank them when it's an emergency, but I feel like the crash afterwards is just bad. It's just like, it just drops you. I don't know, maybe it's just in my head, maybe it's just me, but I feel like that's what happens. Coffee's not like that, and that's kind of when I was, like in middle school, it's like I was young and I was like, well, Coca-Cola doesn't have that effect, and coffee definitely does. So I was like, what if I mix them together? And that's what I'll do, It's crazy because I was like 15 years ago, and they come out with this now, and I'm like, oh man, kind of hurts a little bit. How close that is, guys. Let me go a little bit. Woo! There it is. If y'all have the XSC, once again with the front camera, and you still break your lip kits or your bumper, then I don't know what to tell you guys. Anywho, fam, we're gonna finish the video right here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys help us out a little bit. Any comment, any question, drop it down below. My baby's already getting a little fussy. We're gonna get him out. Anywho, guys, stay tuned for next videos. We have done a review. We're gonna be posting it real soon. So, anywho, guys, remember, it's not just about the car. So stay sexy, guys. Until next time. Damn, it's good. God damn it. Nope.